E honore,
E kororia, mga rongo ki te whenua. Nara tātou katoa, ko mutu ngā hui, e whānau mā, he kōrero te mutunga, te hui tau. I just wanted to say thank you for having us here today with you and to be able to share in your hospitality and kindness towards us. That's what we found out about the Sri Lankan people. What I want to say here is that we express our love and appreciation to all of the workers who are here in this office. And in our custom back in New Zealand, in our Māori custom, whenever we finish, we always finish with a song. We love giving talks, but we also love to sing as well. And so, in appreciation for you having us here in your beautiful facilities, with your beautiful staff, and the beautiful interview that has happened, we would like to leave you with this Māori song we call a waiata for you.
e honore,
E kororia, mga rongo ki te whenua, whakaro, pai e, ki ngā tangata katoa. Ake ake, ake ake, amine. Tua tua, te piringa, tōku oranga, tōku oranga. Kia whakamoa kia tīna,
Tīna,
umi e hui e, tāeki e.